Welcome to the membership module. Here, everyone has a unique envelope number except for those members living in the same household and who share the same envelope number. Remember, if you share an envelope, or change a name after entering data in an original envelope, that old or past data must be reconciled with the new, using the Reconcile button at the top of this module. Before getting started, you should strongly consider your naming convention. It should always be last name, first. This module groups members together for communications purposes. You can write letters only to those group members in the list. It also tracks the number of members associated in any group. Create a letter. Then select your letter name. Type the body of your letter in this block. Sign your letter and click the preview button at the top of the page. Your letter should appear, without a body. Sorry, my bad. If a member does not want a year-end report, please select No. This will save trees and paper. Birthdays can often be used to reach out after long periods of no attendance. You can enter it here. Let's check on Joe's giving. Clicking here is just one of many ways to review a member's giving. Enter a beginning date and an ending date. Then click the buttons to review a detailed or a summary version of the member's giving. You may need to reconcile your contribution or envelope data. Making changes or deleting a member's name after building contribution data upon it is a common operator error. You should know that making a name change or changing an envelope number will not automatically delete past contribution data. Nor will it automatically correct how the information was stored in the contributions database. The current membership name placeholder is key to storing and retrieving your contribution data. Therefore the member's name in your membership database must match exactly the name on all past contributions. To reconcile envelopes, ensure that all contribution entries for a particular envelope group are correct. If not, then edit the envelope number accordingly. You can also choose a quick view method to enter your members' information. Overall, just remember that when it comes to the membership database, take your time. Haste makes waste, garbage in, garbage out is the rule when using databases.